Ever wondered why the whole world is obsessed with K-dramas? From swoon-worthy romance to dramatic plot twists, emotional rollercoasters to laugh-out-loud moments, K-dramas have a magical grip on our hearts. In this video, we're diving into 10 epic reasons why people just can't stop watching K-dramas, and trust us, reason 9 is too real. Whether you're a longtime fan or just K-curious, this one is for you. Let's get into the K-drama craze. Number 1 fact about Korean dramas is emotional storytelling. K-dramas are masters of emotions, from heartwarming romance to tear-jerking tragedy. K-dramas are known for their slow burn. They build emotional tension so well, even a handhold can feel like a confession. Number 2 fact is their unique or creative plots. From time travel and body swaps to contract marriages and goblins, K-dramas always surprise. A drama like W2 Worlds had characters jumping in and out of a webtoon. It combines fantasy, suspense, sci-fi, romance, and most importantly, a boundary-breaking concept where characters move between the real world and a digital webtoon world. Number 3 interesting fact about K-drama is their strong female leads and soft male leads. K-dramas often feature confident, smart female leads and emotionally mature, respectful male characters. One of the most refreshing and heartwarming trends in modern K-dramas is the pairing of strong, independent women with gentle, emotionally intelligent men. This dynamic flips the traditional gender roles often seen in older dramas, and audiences love it. It shows that a powerful woman doesn't need to be tamed, and that being kind and vulnerable as a man is not a weakness, but a strength. This green flag male lead trend exploded thanks to K-dramas. Number 4 is aesthetic cinematography in K-dramas. It feels like art. One of the most striking elements that sets K-dramas apart from other global television content is their exceptionally aesthetic cinematography. It's not just about how things look, it's about how visuals enhance storytelling, evoke emotion, and create a lasting mood. Every frame is like a painting, beautiful sets, warm lighting, and symbolic shots. The term K-drama filter became popular to describe their dreamy visuals. One of the most beloved storytelling techniques in K-dramas is the slow burn romance, the kind of love that doesn't rush, doesn't explode instantly, but builds slowly, naturally, and beautifully. It's not about grand gestures from the beginning, it's about stolen glances, growing trust, unspoken emotions, and that one heart-fluttering moment you didn't see coming. Unlike Western shows, K-dramas focus more on emotional build-up than physical intimacy. Slow burn romances may not give instant butterflies, but they leave a lasting impact. They remind us that love doesn't need to be dramatic. To be powerful, it can grow quietly, like a flower blooming after a long winter. One of the biggest charms of K-dramas is their tight, focused storytelling. Most Korean dramas are designed to be short and complete, usually between 12 to 16 episodes, with a clear beginning, middle, and end. And that's exactly what makes them so satisfying. K-dramas are created with a planned arc. Writers usually know how the story will end before the first episode even airs. Short, complete K-dramas are a perfect blend of quality and closure. They respect your time as a viewer and reward you with a story that feels whole. It's like reading a great novel. You turn the last page, close the book, and feel something stay with you. Cultural glimpse in K-dramas. K-dramas subtly weave Korean traditions, lifestyle, and values into their storytelling. K-dramas are not just about love stories, comedy, or suspense, they're also a beautiful window into Korean culture. For international viewer, K-dramas are more than just fiction, they're an experience of Korean life, values, and heart. You are not just watching a story unfold. You are learning how people think, love, grieve, and celebrate in a different part of the world. It's cultural learning, served with emotional storytelling. One of the biggest reasons why K-dramas connect with audiences around the world is because of their deeply relatable characters and raw, real emotions. They make us feel seen, they reflect our struggles, our hopes, and the unspoken things in our heart. K-dramas don't just show perfect heroes and heroines. Their characters struggle with anxiety, failure, heartbreak. They deal with family pressure, job stress, identity crises. You'll often see a lead character who's not rich or powerful, but someone who's just trying to figure life out, like many of us. Even in fantasy settings, the characters often deal with real emotions, loneliness, ambition, heartbreak. K-dramas don't just tell stories, they feel like therapy. You laugh with the characters, cry with them, and root for them like they're your own friends. That emotional connection stays long after the final episode. It's not just fiction, it's a mirror. And sometimes, that's all we need. Another interesting thing about K-dramas is its catchy OSTs or music that stays with your heart. K-dramas are known not just for their gripping stories or emotional characters, but also for their unforgettable OSTs. These songs become the soul of the story, adding magic to every scene, every feeling, every moment. When a K-drama OST starts playing, soft piano notes, a heartfelt vocal, or even a single guitar strum, it instantly deepens the emotion of the scene. In a K-drama, music turns simple scenes into emotional masterpieces. K-drama OST lyrics are not just catchy, they're deep, poetic, and meaningful. They express everything the characters can't always say out loud, their inner thoughts, fears, hope, and love. Whether it's about holding on, letting go, or waiting, the words hit home. K-dramas often feature OSTs sung by popular K-pop idols or top vocalists like Baekhyun, EXO, BTS's Kim Taehyung and ILY. Their voices bring an extra layer of beauty and emotional depth that makes every song unforgettable. Many OSTs become so popular they top Korean charts and go viral globally. K-drama OSTs aren't just background music, they're storytelling tools. They carry the heart of the drama, make emotions linger longer, and turn simple scenes into unforgettable memories. That's why, even after the final episode, the music stays in your mind and in your heart. The community or fandom culture in K-dramas, more than just viewer, it's a family. Watching K-dramas isn't a solo experience, it's something fans share, celebrate, and live together. Whether you're crying over a character's heartbreak or swooning over a romantic scene, there's a whole community out there feeling the same, and that's what makes K-dramas even more special. From South Korea to India, the US to Brazil, K-drama fans are everywhere. People from different countries, cultures, and languages come together to fanboy over the latest episodes, favorite couples, iconic OSTs, and behind-the-scenes content. It's a global family connected by the love for great storytelling. Fans love discussing everything, from plot twists to fashion to OST lyrics. You'll always find someone who feels exactly what you're feeling. Whether it's a live tweet session, a fan group chat, or a YouTube reaction video, watching K-dramas feels like a shared journey. You cry together, swoon together, and heal together. The fandom culture adds so much depth and belonging to K-drama watching. It reminds you that your emotions are valid, that you're part of something bigger, and that stories can connect people from all walks of life. You don't just watch K-dramas, you live them, love them, and share them. And that's why K-dramas aren't just shows, they're a whole experience. Thanks for watching my video, and see you on the next K-drama journey.